on my solo 25th birthday trip. Let me go get my coffee. Guys, I just got my breakfast. Guys, good morning. There's a lot going on, guys. Anyway, I just got my breakfast. I'm just waiting here for the bus. I'm leaving at 10:50. My bus hasn't arrived, I think. And mina ngifike la early. So I was like, you know what? It's my first time traveling. So I'm just gonna go to the bus station very, very early. And then just find a cute cafe where I can chill and have breakfast. So super excited. So yeah, guys, let me just have my breakfast and then we will catch up later. Let me show you what I'm having for breakfast. Actually, I'm having, this cup is so heavy. I'm having a cappuccino with some cinnamon and a little sandwich over there. Yeah, guys, I'm really loving this cafe. There's my cute bag. So excited. Guys, I wasn't recording. I'm so bad. So I'm on my way to my hotel. I was going to take a train, but I was just like so confused when I got there. So I was just like, let me just catch a taxi. It is a little bit more expensive than a train, but it's convenient. And right now I'm trying to be convenient because it's my first time traveling in Korea. You know, I'm so brave. Love it for myself. So right now I'm going to my hotel. Oh, by the way, I took a bus from where I live to Busan, and I am here, guys. It's so hot. It is so hot here. I wanted to also like vlog for y'all when I was at the train station, but my stomach was running and I just had a lot of anxiety. Yeah, I can't wait to get to my hotel and just relax. And then later on I was invited to dinner, actually. Really excited about that. Also, guys, I feel like God has just been with me throughout this whole journey. Like, coming here, the people that I met, the help. Like, nobody was ever so mean to me. Like, I know that people have different experiences, but mine was the best. Mine was the best. Like, I think it's been 4 weeks. It's been 4 weeks since I've been in Korea, and it's just so amazing. I'm so grateful. Yeah, guys, so I'm really excited for this trip. This is the first of many, okay? So you better stay tuned to my socials, stay tuned to my Instagram, my YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna be that girly. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all guys on the flip side. Don't forget to subscribe.
잠시 후 과속 단속에 주의하세요. 전방에 사고 다발 주의 구간입니다. 안전에 유의하세요.
I just checked in to my hotel. It's so beautiful. Guys, I just made it to my hotel room. This looks better than what I saw in the pictures, okay? What? Guys, my door is not locking. It keeps on opening. Guys, something is happening with my door, guys. Let me just sort out my door issues. I will give you guys a tour. I've just checked into my hotel. It's beautiful. It's actually more than I expected. It is so classy. Like in the pictures, it was not giving like the way it's giving, you know. I guess it was just the quality of the pictures. But guys, it's so nice. Like the bathroom, the kitchen, the bedroom. I am so happy. So this is the door when you come in, and then when you get in, you get this shoe cabinet where you can put in your shoes, because in Korean houses we don't come inside with our shoes, you know. So that's where you put your shoes, and then you wear your slides. But I'm barefooted right now. And then I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. This is where the magic is going to happen. That's me. Outfit check. Let's do a quick outfit check. I am wearing a two-piece from Shein. If you know me, you know that I love my pink. Yeah, I look so cute. This was my travel outfit. Yeah, guys, so this is like storage space for like cosmetics and stuff, and they have this huge mirror that I love. The pictures that I'm gonna take here, be ready, okay? And then they've got a towel rack, and then they've got a shower. This shower was not like this in the pictures. So yeah, this is the shower. It looks like it's gonna be amazing. It's got space, I love it. And then they have like washing machine. I don't know what this is, but it looks like granite, baby. It's giving luxury. And then the toilet, very nice toilet. And then I've got a glass and some soap. This is a port for your hair dryer. And there's some shower slides. And yeah, guys, this is my bathroom. I like the finishing. Look at, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, this is so nice. And then let's go to the kitchen. So when you get in, you get this cute kitchen corner going on. It's so cute, guys. I really like it. Some drawers, there's a sink, dishwashing liquid, a rack for my dishes after washing them. Shot glasses. What do you even mean? What do you want from me? And then yeah, kettle, charging ports, and then to your left there's some things that I don't understand. I don't know if I should try something new. Am I in the mood to try something new? No. I'm already going to have Korean food, so no. I think I'm gonna do.
Do you need a plastic bag?
Yes, please. Eh, amogela ne ko founela ne ke batla ho
86.
Sopong ne. Ito ako muna ka no.
부터 구매가 되는 수경입니다. 신분증을 확인해주세요.
이제 다시 또 포장이가 슬프다. 네? 가요. 다음 주부터. 다음 주요? 토요일? 응. 그리고 그 사이에 펜스 할 것 같은데. 금요일 아니면 토요일에도 할 수도 있고. 그렇죠. 그럼 너무 사회적인 스케줄. 근데 저는 토요일이 막판인 것 같아요. 그래서 그럼 또 궁금한 거 아니야? 잠깐만 이거 우리 씹을 심지 아니야?
Well guys, the wine in it better last me for the rest of my life. So I am going for dinner. Remember the dinner that I told y'all about? The one that I was invited to? Yes, I am going there. We're going to try some Korean food, I think, because I'm not having burger and chips and all of that, because I'm a gym girl now, you know. I'm a gym girl, so I'm trying to be healthy. I just wanted to do a quick fit check with you guys. I'm wearing jeans from Runway, top from Shein, bag from Shein. You know this cute babe. This cute babe matches with this detailing on my jeans. That's why I'm wearing it. It's really just a simple outfit. I'm gonna come back to change because there's a South African event happening. So yeah, I will see you guys on the flip side. I'm going to eat some Korean food, and then yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys with, actually. Yeah, so I'm going to catch the bus. I should walk for 4 minutes to the bus station. So guys, I'm not leaving anything, hey? Not leaving anything. Yeah, let's go. I think I want to put on a little bit of more. Yeah. Guys, let's go. Otherwise, I'm gonna be late. I'm not leaving anything. Yes, I'm leaving something. I am leaving the most important thing. Guys, the views are so amazing. This is my hotel. Guys, it's so beautiful here at night. Guys, I got lost, but I'm not too far away from the hotel that I'm going to. But just know that I got lost. Some guy helped me. Some guy at CU helped me. So I think I'm in the right direction. That way. Guys, I am lost. But I'm finding my way there. Can navigate. Maragamando. So, hi guys, I will catch up with y'all later. What an eventful day. finally made it. Finally made it. Oh my god, I'm so brave. I'm not showing him, it's not showing. But I'm going out. I'm going to a South African event. Aha! Aibo. Yebo. Si sayo jiva. Oh. Piano. My friend do dangerous. Piano. Stogo dangerous. Aibo. Anyway, guys, yeah. Let me show you my view at night. It's my view at night. Isn't that amazing? I need to get ready, so let me charge my camera. I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera with or what. You know, it might get lost. It's new. Anything could happen. But yo, guys, I am gonna go get ready again. This is the third outfit for the day. Can you imagine? And I mean, I did not come with these clothes. See the mood from when I started the vlog to now. Can you see the mood? Oh guys, perfume. I'm perfume guys. Anyway, guys, melengilele chikena. Atisababona. Aibo. Ukuthi banjani Tanzania. Tanzania. Atisababona. Guys, ngiyapapa. Let me get ready. Gizonibona, guys, on the what? On the flip side. Thank you. Danko. It's too much. Bye-bye. Awusanibonani yebo. Guys, dala nina ningangikhuzi. Yebo. Dala ningangikhuzi shem. Nina nginsabagabi. I remember the times when I used to do like thick brows, and yo guys, beningangikhuzi nina nisile nina yo. So I'm not gonna do too much. No, I don't need a lot. You see, I just tinted my eyebrows. Tingikhaliso music. Aibo bomnande ekhaya. Hey guys, yazini ngikwatile because iglass of yam nayi lapha ngijongile. Look at, I don't have a corkscrew. Guys, ngizongibona. Let me play music. Maubani. Hey guys, I just woke up trying to look so demure, so mindful, but honestly ngikhathele. And oh guys, I'm so tired, but when I content Maubani. I'm trying to relax, but at the same time I'm trying to upload on Instagram. Today I'm trying to relax because last night I had a blast. Ooh, I'm not going anywhere today. I just want to get French fries, a burger, and whatnot. And just relax. Hey guys, hello. I tell you that I didn't vlog yesterday. Believe me, yesterday was Sunday. I thought I was gonna go to the beach and whatnot. I was so tired. I think I'm getting old and my youthful days are finally catching up with me. Like, I'm no more 19, I'm no more 20. It's just crazy. I was planning to go to the beach and that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to be taking you guys with. Yeah, I think I'm well rested, you know. I just took a shower. I want to do my skincare routine. Yeah, bonagala. It's a clear mud pack. It's a mask. It says it provides comfort to skin by plant derived ingredients from the nature. So this is what I'll be using as my mask. Also guys, I've got flu. I think I should really consider seeing the doctor because it's not looking cute. Guys, by the way, I got this at Daiso. It's like a shop that sells everything. It's a famous store in South Korea. It's everywhere, you know. So other people told me that they broke out when they started using Korean products. And also I tell people that if you want to know what's for your skin, go to a dermatologist, honey. Go to a dermatologist so that he can tell you what is up with your skin, you know. So yeah, I'm so tired. But you know what I'm happy about? I slept like I needed to sleep. This is the holiday that I needed, for real. I needed to sleep. Let's see. Ah, the buildings. Yeah, this is a very beautiful city. Let's go to the beach. Let's get over it. Oh, Burger King! Let me do this. Ah!